It's a man-o-war. It's got a sail on it. Really long tentacles. See if I can get in on it. That's like a sail. It pushes it by the wind, and it just goes with the current.
Look at those tentacles.
Tentacles are super long. And then they actually have invisible tentacles like fishing line that are about 40 feet long or 20 feet long.
How much money would it take for you to put your face on that thing?
You die.
No.
Yeah, these kill you.
They do kill
These are they're killing jellyfish.
Weak people that kill.
Yeah,
people.
Me, it'd be like you're a bee sting.
right.
Alright, I'll give you $50.
Crazy.
I'll just cover the gas.
I can zoom in on the tentacles.
I'll do it towards the end of the trip.
Look at the fish around it. See, it attracts fish with those minnows.
Yeah, I see them. Dang it. Oops, going under. Going under the boat. Hope it doesn't get stuck to our boat. Babe!
Ooh, about blew up into it.
You about knocked your wife onto the man-o-war. To be continued.